Sometimes if you have more than 5 categories, then pie chart is not useful to visualize your data sheet. So why not to create a dual data label chart which show a value as well as the percentage amount. If you follow my this series, on the previous video, I also show you how to create a focused line chart. With this chart, you can simply select the year from the drop down and it will automatically highlight only those specific year. I already shared the link of video on the same tab and also I will share on the comments. Now I will show you how to create a dual value column chart in Google Sheet. Consider I have this data set. The first thing we need to create a two simple helper column. On the first helper column, I need to input 0 value for the entire column. Simply type 0 and copy paste the value on the entire column. The next thing we need to calculate the percentage. So I will type a very simple formula equal. Select the B2, divide by some function, open parenthesis. Now select the entire column B, hit F4 key to log the reference, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will calculate the percentage amount. But we need to use a text function here. So I will simply select all of my formula, hit Ctrl X. Now simply type text function, open parenthesis. What is the number? Simply hit Ctrl V to paste my formula, hit comma. And for the format, this time I will simply type quotation mark 0.0%. Quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula till the end of my data set. To insert a chart, first I need to select all of my data set. Click on insert and now simply click on chart. On the chart type, I will simply change the chart to stack column chart. The next thing I will click on customize, click on series, and now apply the data label. Now again I will scroll up and simply select the helper series. Scroll a little bit more. And here you can see data label. On the type you can see a custom as well. Since we define a percent amount as a text value, so now I can select a custom data label. Now I will simply scroll a little bit more and we need to off the grid line. So I will simply off the major grid line. Click on horizontal x-axis now. Click on grid line. Major tick. Scroll a little bit more. For the tick position, I will simply select none. Now I will click on vertical x-axis. There is no option to delete those one, but I will click on label font size and simply type 6-point size. For the text color, I will choose the same color as per my background. And now if you want to bold the data label, simply click on series. And from here, you can also bold the data label. I think we don't need the legend, so I will simply click and hit delete key. Now I will reduce the chart size a little bit more and simply move on the right area. Now if you want open close bracket on the data label, simply click on percentage amount. And here you can simply type open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Hit enter and now simply drag this formula till the end of data set. That is all about how you can create a dual value column chart in Google Sheet. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.